Hi there everybody and welcome to my YouTube channel, Anya Babao's Chronicles. Today we're going to cook something for the first time. Kami ni Anya. Say hi to them muna, Anya. My 14-year-old beautiful daughter, taller than me.
I'm still 13, excuse me.
13 lang daw siya. Okay, fine.
They are 13 and a half.
Okay, fine. You'll always be my baby in my eyes. Ito kasing si Anya, ang hilig sa salmon. Di ba, Anya?
Yeah.
Ba't bang hilig mo sa salmon?
It's a really good dish.
Oo, yung simpleng-simple lang, di ba? Yung pan-fried salmon na parang salt and pepper. Bili nga tayo, try nga natin na tayo magluto ng salmon steak. Ito, 200 something pesos lang. Wala pang 250 pesos isang salmon steak. So, nakuha namin yung recipe mula sa YouTube. Thanks YouTube! Ang dami mga channels na helpful talaga. So, ito ang una-una pa nang gagawin. So, pag na-thaw na, natural thawing lang from the ref, of course with clean hands, Anya, you put the salmon, yes, sa paper towel. Pag ganito, the other side, yes.
There it is.
There. And then, let the paper towel absorb all the excess water and just leave it there for 15 minutes. O, diba? Papakita ko sa inyo na pinapanood namin sa YouTube. Yan, rest on paper towel for 15 minutes. So, iiwanan muna namin yung salmon for 15 minutes. So, should we acknowledge kung saan natin nakuha yung recipe?
So, we're watching here.
From?
It's called How to Pan Fry Salmon.
The channel, you mentioned
you
mentioned the ano.
It's from a channel called Tablespoon Recipes. So
Thank you,
check out
Tablespoon
their channel
Recipes. Thank
if
you.
you want more recipes similar to that.
Yes,
Now
alright.
we'll see you in 15 minutes.
We'll see you in 15 minutes.
Which will be
Part that you will
But
season
while you're
with
doing
salt and
that,
pepper.
I will season it already.
With salt and pepper.
Okay, well, we need to separate.
Tagalin mo na. Sige,
No, I need to pat it on top.
Yan. Ayan. Tagalin ko na to.
Wait, we need to dab it with the paper, with the tissue paper. So that there's no more excess water.
Salt, season with salt. Balik ka rin mo. And pepper muna.
Wait, why pepper? Did he put pepper?
Lagi naman may pepper. Hindi naman masyado ate, so huwag ka matakot. Hindi naman to sobrang anghang. Okay, balik rin mo.
Did you put a lot of
Hindi, okay lang. Balik rin mo na.
more pepper than
Balik rin mo na.
now we
Then,
flip it and then we put
yes.
others.
Okay. Salt. And then, pepper again. So ready ka na?
Yeah.
Ito na,
So
mainit na yung
We're
mantika.
now to the cooking part, the start
Okay.
of the cooking part. So
Okay.
we use these tongs
Yes.
to put it inside the pan, and it should always be, according to the video, always be facing with the skin first.
Yeah, skin
So,
side down.
Skin side down. So I need to put it in a way that the skin
Yeah.
will already be side down. So
Alright, yan, tama yan.
that.
Hindi babagsak. Other side.
And
Other one.
you see how
Nice.
it makes it smaller
Even the tunog.
because it's grilling it, I guess.
Yeah, very good.
This one, and now
So
it's
skin
doing the same
first.
thing.
Oh, i-control mo, baka bumagsak eh. So, dapat naka-upright. No, gusto to. As in, buksan mo. Buksan mo.
Oh!
Ito matakot, okay lang yan. Yan. See, tama yung ginagawa mo. Oh, maganda. Oh. Wonderful.
Yes.
Wonderful, wonderful.
You can smell the essence.
You know what? Cooking together with your kids is
Can I
really
get
a wonderful way to bond with your kids. It brings you closer together. No, Anya? One side muna. Yan. Okay, yan eh.
Now we
Yes.
flatten it.
Yeah, flatten it
using
both.
this
So,
thing.
equally. Yan, flatten it.
We need to put it closer to
Yeah,
each other.
closer.
We can equally
Flatten
flatten
it. Yan, sige, flatten it. Para lumalabas yung extra water or juices. Yan,
I need to be
perfect.
careful.
Ang cute ng aming ano sa Tagalog, isda talaga yung design. Yan.
Ooh, look at that.
Sa Tagalog, chance.
Ano yan? Ano yun, te? Look at that one.
Look at that smell. But you can't smell, but I can smell it.
Okay, Anya, okay na ba sa'yo yung other
Konti
side?
pa.
Ha?
Konti pa.
Konti pa. Mas gusto mo ng mas...
But
ito.
is it okay na by standard? Yung pag-
Hindi, ikaw kasi. How cooked do you want
Hindi ba
it?
yung regular general standards?
Oh, kasi may residual heat.
Yeah, okay. I think
Ang
that's
tawag sa
okay na.
residual heat,
That's okay
ate, kahit wala na siya sa
That's okay
fire,
na.
naluluto pa siya. Okay, sige, balik rin mo na. Oh, ayan ate. Oh, golden brown na. Look babe. For the first time, Anya cook your own salmon steak. So, ingat din tayo kasi baka mag-dry out siya. May residual heat, remember? So, tingin ko okay na yan.
Wait, how do you...
And then, get again with the tong. Oh, put it here. Yep. Papakita mo kaming pamilya.
Yeah,
Family
that's okay
matter na
na.
to.
That's okay na.
Ayun, may fan si Anya. Fans! Oh.
Now, yeah, lapit
Ate natin, oh. Yeah. Oh, palakpakan!
There we go! Yes,
Woo!
we did it.
Ate, give yourself a big, big hand. A pat on the back.
All the burns.
Oh, na-burn ka ba? Hindi naman.
Yes, I did.
Oh, yeah, pakita mo. Oh, what will you say?
Thank you. Thank you for your support. I will try.
Moment of
I will
truth.
try my salmon.
Tama lang.
Not bad.
Not bad. Not bad.
Too much pepper, like I
Oh,
said.
too much pepper. Okay, so next
But
time,
not bad.
inaan
I
natin.
need more. It needs more salt.
Okay, bigyan mo na salt. Oh, like this. Oh, turn ka lang.
More salt.
Hindi, ito, turn ka lang. It's a pepper mill. It's a salt mill pala. Uy, in fairness ha, ang sarap din.
I don't like the skin.
Ayun yung skin.
What it means. So yeah, yeah. It tastes it.
Okay, tikman natin ang
First time naman niya magluto. First time na.
See, it's not. It's missing something, but it's not bad.
What do you think is missing, babe?
Yung pagka-soft niya, you have to know. Yung pagka-soft
medyo-
niya, it's a bit matigas.
Kasi nga, di ba sabi ko sa'yo, may residual
Too much
heat
pepper.
Oo,
Too
may
much
maalat, too much salt.
I told
Too
you
much,
there was too
okay.
much pepper.
and too much salt.
Salt, it's a bit salty and
Ako yung spiciness ayaw.
parang hinahanap ko yung lemon ipis.
Ayaw niya ilagyan eh. So, malagyan
Hindi
next time.
required daw lagyan ng lemon eh. I don't know about other restaurants.
Depende. First time that we cook salmon steak together. And it's been fun, Anya. So,
It'll get better.
it will get better.
We're missing something pa.
So, practice makes perfect, di ba?
Yeah.
Practice makes perfect. I hope you like this vlog. So, please do watch sa playlist yung aming how-to vlogs para makita niyo iba naming masayang cooking sessions.
Okay, wait.
See you again.
Before we go,
Oh, okay.
open wide guys. Open wide.
wide.
That's the ending.